Welcome to the Waves Android 14 interactive flat panel display. Let's explore its amazing features, starting with the home screen. On the home screen, you will notice two side menu bars. Let's start with the left menu bar, featuring the back button, home button, recent apps, control panel, and source. You will notice the same buttons are mirrored on the right menu bar. Now let's dive into the control panel. Here, we find a range of shortcut tools: Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Hotspot, Bluetooth, Screenshot, Vision Care, Touch Sensing, Eco Mode, Touch Lock, Screen Lock, Listen Alone, Screen Off, Turn OPS On, Power Off, Restart, Freeze, Mute, Auto Backlight, Spotlight, and Curtain. Below the shortcut tools, there are sliding bars for volume and brightness adjustments, as well as apps for quick access. Next, let's explore our softboard application, our smart whiteboard application. On the bottom left menu bar, you can create new files, open existing files, save as, upload to cloud, scan QR codes to access PDFs of your whiteboard content, email, adjust settings, and exit. On the bottom right side, we have buttons for navigating between pages: previous page, all pages, next page, and adding new pages. Our whiteboard can split into 2, 3, or 4 screens, each with different pages, enhancing your multitasking capabilities with octa-core processor. In the central menu bar, the first option is the pen tool, offering multiple pen types: pencil, ink pen, marker, and text pen. You can choose two colors based on the thickness of your stylus, adjusting thickness and preview your selection. The eraser tool allows you to erase by selection or clear all, and you can even erase continuously with your palm while writing. The select tool lets you move, resize, and manipulate elements on the screen. We provide a variety of 2D and 3D shapes, each customizable in thickness and color, with an extensive color palette. The toolbox includes image inserting, tables, ruler, source, mind map, documents, videos, browser, vote kit, timer, and a periodic table. Errors can be readily fixed by using the undo and redo buttons. You can switch the bottom left menu bar to the bottom right and vice versa for convenience. In the menu bar of softboard application, you can access settings where you can prevent accidental touches, display time, enable multi-finger mode with 20 touch points, change the background color, add grids, and upload custom backgrounds. We also offer an app for device casting, supporting mobiles, Windows, Mac, iOS, and more. From the home page, swipe left to reveal a welcome page and swipe right to access OPS, the integrated PC for the IFPD. Above is an overview of our Android 14 Waves interactive flat panel display, including an octa-core processor and integrated AI. Contact Waves at 70280 11328 to book our interactive flat panel display.